This video is sponsored by StartupPesa.com. Welcome back. This is Himanshi and this is Shubhi, and we are back with our daily dose of crypto intakes from Cryptonomics.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell.
HTC has revealed a crypto-focused and secure router dubbed Exodus 5G Hub, which can compatibly run a Bitcoin node, according to a report today by VentureBeat. The Exodus 5G Hub reportedly leverages Xeon software to ensure a secure and private environment for both encryption and blockchain fans.
Matrixport, founded by Wu Jihan, a Chinese billionaire and a former chief of Bitmain Technologies Limited, is said to be valued at $300 million after it completes a new funding round. Matrixport is looking to raise $40 million in a funding round, and it has already pitched the upcoming round to different investors in recent weeks.
The US Court of Northern Georgia has dismissed the lawsuit against the rapper T.I. that claims in August 2017 the rapper sold FIT tokens for his company's initial coin offering. As per the report, the investors who have sued the rapper failed to produce concrete evidence of securities violation against T.I.
According to the recent valuation report published by Coinmetric, 42% of Bitcoin UTXO have not been used to make a transaction since 1st March. It is the highest since June 2017, which indicates the high chances of Bitcoin having an epic tear towards a new all-time high after the halving this year.
FCA has said that the crypto exchange Kraken is unauthorized to operate in the UK. According to an FCA report on Wednesday, the regulator warned Kraken against their business activities in the country and indirectly claimed that the Kraken exchange is too risky for public use.
China's capital is aiming at bringing transparency, immutability, and traceability of governance through blockchain invoicing. The Tax Bureau of Beijing said it would begin implementing the system around the city this March.
As per the latest report, major manufacturers of crypto mining in China have resumed their businesses after the coronavirus outbreak, and that helps the computer processing power of Bitcoin network to grow again. Data released by Poolin noted that since January 28, 2020, the hashing power increased by 5.4%.
According to a report, Facebook Inc., together with its partner, is considering redesigning the Libra crypto project so that the network could allow multiple coins, including the ones provided by central banks, to restore momentum for the project and address reluctant global regulators.
National Agency for the Prevention of Corruption of Ukraine recently published the guidelines defining the digital currencies as an intangible asset to combat the money laundering in crypto market and enhancing the transparency in the financial system.
Here are some other but important news from the crypto space. Peter Schiff suggests the Bitcoin community to sell their BTC. Samsung to develop blockchain-based financial services with CredoRax. Cardano to get commercialized in partnership with PwC. Brad Garlinghouse blasts Bitcoin and Ethereum for mining waste. Blockage Game to develop a blockchain-based strategy MMO MetaBoss. Binance undergoes maintenance as India braces itself for crypto race. Bitcoin Cash to soar by 10 to 20% in the coming week. Phishing campaigns of North Korea fuels military regime. Has Suns alleged all coins put Tron in harm's way, 10% dip or 5% surge. Leading crypto exchanges are lamenting vague IRS regulation.
Top 5 crypto gainers of the day are Hyper Exchange with 171.71%, Playcoin QCR20 with 106.35%, Playcoin ECR20 with 88.40%, Zuex Coin with 72.28%, Morecoin with 63.12%. Top 5 crypto losers of the day are Agorist Dollar with minus 42.26%, Pigeon Coin with minus 35.46%, ZV Chain with minus 27.60%, Bosagora with minus 26.59%, Scanet Chain with minus 26.50%.
That's it for today. Please do like and share our video if you like what we do.
Also, if you have any suggestions for us, you can let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.